Here comes our dump truck with our first egg. Subscribe to our channel for lots of fun videos posted every day. Hey, Lots of Toys fans, it's Miriam. Check out this fun new toy we're going to be opening. It's the Mini Machines by Caterpillar. It says it has the feel of real. Looks super fun. Here's the dump truck, the excavator, the backhoe. We have a wheel loader and a bulldozer. We're also going to have lots of surprises. We're going to have this carton of eggs, of surprise squeaking eggs we're going to be opening. So be sure to stay tuned with us until the end of our clip as we open that. And also, we have a gold nugget, a giant gold nugget that has a surprise inside. Look at this. What could it be? Look at this. We have two Play-Doh eggs. We have a blue one and a yellow one. We're going to be playing with those. But first of all, let's go ahead and open our mini machines. They're mighty machines, but they're minis. Look at this, we have a runaway egg. So here are all our vehicles, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. We're going to take a look at each of them individually. Our first vehicle is the excavator. It actually rotates so it can do its work. It has a neat scoop. Here comes our dump truck with our first egg. Let's go ahead and open it. We have some blue Play-Doh included. Perfect. Let's go ahead and make some construction materials. I'm going to be making some gems. And we're going to have our excavator pick them up and load them. Here's our fun dump truck. It's a heavy-duty one. It has giant wheels and an awesome flatbed that can actually carry a lot of stuff. Here are all our mining materials that we've collected. Next up is our wheel loader. It has a working scoop. If you're not careful, it's going to be overloaded and tip over. Next up is our backhoe. It has a back scoop as well as a front scoop. And they're both working. Here comes our bulldozer. It's bringing us our Play-Doh egg. Let's go ahead and open it. We have some yellow Play-Doh to play with. I have a fun mold here. It's in the shape of a frog. Let's go ahead and make some frogs out of this Play-Doh. Here's our first little guy. Ribbit, ribbit. Let's make some more. How cute! Look at this next one. Let's go ahead and add our googly eyes to our frogs. Look how cute he looks. Much better. But here we go. Here's our next cutie. Here's the finished product. Ribbit, ribbit. Awesome. Let's go ahead and also take a closer look at our bulldozer. It's your standard bulldozer. The scoop doesn't lift all the way. It just lifts a little. Here we go. Let's go ahead and work. The bulldozer has tracks. They're not real tracks. It has wheels right at the bottom. And now, for the moment you've been waiting for, we're going to be opening our carton of eggs. And we have 6 eggs, or a half a dozen. And they're super fun. They actually have different faces. There's this surprised face. This one, the face that says it's delicious. We have a smiley face, kind of a cute smiley face with the eyes kind of closed. A sleepy face. And a happy face. These eggs have an additional thing to them. They actually match the shape to their location. This egg has a square shape, and this fits with a square place. There's a square place in here, and a square place here, so you have to match them up to their shape. Now this egg over here has a cross, so you have to match the cross to the egg. This egg has a circle shape that matches the circle place. This is the shape of a star, and it fits with the star place. And this one has the shape of a triangle, and it fits with the triangle. And this other one has the shape of a heart, and it fits with the heart shape. So the question is, can you mix and match and place these eggs in a different spot? Let's see what happens if I do that. So I'm going to take them out. And look at this. I have to match the shapes. See what happens if I put this star shape into the heart shape. Can I fit it in? No way. This egg is not going to fit there. It's supposed to fit with its star shape. Now what about this one? I have a triangle one. Can I fit the triangle with the square? No way. Doesn't work. It has its own place. What about the heart shape? Can I fit the heart shape egg with this cross? No way, see, it doesn't belong. It doesn't fit. I have to match the shape at the bottom of the egg to the carton. What about this circle one? Can I fit it in the square? No way. It has to go with the circle. What about this egg? It has a cross shape. Can I fit this cross shape with anything else other than the cross? Nope. Then we have this last one, and this one is a square. And it fits in its spot. This is a super fun toy. It's by Tommy, and they're squeaky eggs. So if you open this one, let's try to open the sleeping egg. Let's see what we get. Ah, look at this little chick. It actually pops open, and it makes a squeaky noise. What a fun surprise. Let's take a look at our next egg. Look at this face. Doesn't look like a happy face. Kind of looks like a Halloween face, doesn't it? We have a purple chick inside. And it's also squeaking. It's a squeaking chick. We have 4 more to open. So let's look at this guy. Not a very happy one. Looks like surprised or anxious. And look at this cute chick. How fun! This is a cute one. We have a green chick. Look at this egg. Yum! And an orange chick. Did you notice that the color on top of the egg also matches the color inside of the egg? So look at this. This is a green one, green chick. This is a yellow, yellow chick. This is a purple, purple chick. So these are good for teaching colors and shapes as well, for having an egg hunt or a challenge, making math problems, geometry problems. And here's this one. Do you see the pink and the pink? These eggs are super fun. They work with the little ones and the bigger kids as well. Here is our last egg. It's our happy egg. Save the best for last. And guess what color is going to be inside? Be sure to write your comment down below. And look at the shape. Yeah, it's a blue one. Our clue, of course, was the color on top of the egg. I really, really love these. They're super fun, and they also teach expressions, so they're very educational and fun. That's it for us, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe and watch more by clicking the I above.